Hi, today we'll show you how to change the fan motor of your Cooper&Hunter 24,000 BTU wall-mounted unit. First, open the cover, remove the air filters, remove the electrical cover, and disconnect the LED display. Then, remove the louvers. Remove all 8 screws to detach the unit cover. Lift the bottom of the cover, unclip the top of it, and remove it completely. Now you can remove the temperature sensors. Clip the zip tie, and unscrew the ground wires. Next, remove 3 screws from the electrical box. Remove the electrical box cover. Disconnect the step motor and the fan motor. Remove the electrical box. Unclip the drain pan from the evaporator. Lift up to remove it and slide to the right so the drain hose will come out. Remove 7 screws from the chassis. Lift the evaporator coil. Remove the screw from the fan motor cover and remove it. Turn the fan blower wheel until you find the screw. Do not remove this screw, but turn it 2 or 3 times to loosen it. Lift the evaporator coil and remove the fan motor. Slide it to the right so the fan motor rod will come out. When replacing the fan motor, make sure the flat side of the fan motor rod is facing the screw in the fan blower wheel. Turn the fan motor so the cable is facing outward. Make sure the fan blower is centered and not stuck to either side. Tighten the screw to the fan motor rod. Replace the fan motor cover and secure it with a screw. Before moving on, make sure the fan blower wheel turns smoothly. Bring the evaporator coil back in place and secure it with 7 screws. slide the drain hose in and clip the chassis back to the coil. Replace the electrical box and attach it with 2 screws. Reconnect the fan motor and step motor. Then close the electrical box and secure with a screw. Put the temperature sensors back in place and then secure the ground wires with screws. Secure the ground wires with a zip tie. Put the cover back on the unit, making sure to clip it on top and bottom. Replace 8 screws to secure the cover. Replace the louvers. Insert the filters. Reconnect the temperature sensor, replace the electrical cover, and close the unit. Your Cooper&Hunter wall mount is ready for use. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and drop some feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for HVAC tutorials, product introductions, and more.